Welcome to Math Challenge 695. In Math Challenge 695, we are given a quadrant or a quarter circle. A quadrant or a quarter circle and straight lines, vertical lines are drawn at equidistant spacing. So the distance between lines are equal. So one line is 13 units, one line is 17 units, and we have to find the length of this line x units. We have to find the value of x. The line x, the line 17 and the line 13 all are equidistant, equally spaced, and we have to find the value of x, the length of this longest line. Math Challenge 695. Now let each of the equal divisions along the horizontal radius be at y. Y is a distance between two lines, that is a vertical radius and the line x, and the line x and the line 17 and the line 17 and line 13, the distances are equal, so let each of the equal distances be y units. So mark the distances, the gaps y. Each of the gaps y units in length. Join the center of the quadrant to the top of this 17 units length line. This line whose length is 17, the top of that line is joined to the center of the quadrant. So what do we get? A right triangle. We are joining the center of the quadrant to the top of the 17 units long line. So the hypotenuse is a radius joining the center to a point on the circumference. So the hypotenuse is a radius. The altitude is 17 and the base is y plus y 2y. Look at the right triangle. Altitude 17, base y plus y 2y, and the hypotenuse, which is a radius, is r units. So according to Pythagoras rule, r square is 17 square plus 2y whole square, that is r square equal to 289 plus 4y square. We are applying the Pythagoras rule to this right angle triangle. Altitude 17, base 2y, hypotenuse or radius r. So r square is 17 square plus 2y whole square, that is 289 plus 4y square. This is one important relation. So we got this r square equal to 289 plus 4y square. Now join the center to the top of 13 units long line. Join the center of the quadrant to the top of 13 units long line to get another right triangle. So in this right angle triangle, again the hypotenuse is a radius joining the center to a point on the circumference. The hypotenuse is a radius. The altitude is 13 and the base is y plus y plus y, that is 3y. The base y plus y plus y 3y, altitude 13, hypotenuse is a radius. So again r square is 13 square plus 3y whole square, giving you r square equal to 169 plus 9y square. Look at this right angle triangle. Altitude 13, base 3y, and the hypotenuse is a radius, so r square is 169 plus 9y square. So we got two important relations, r square equal to 289 plus 4y square and r square equal to 169 plus 9y square. So equating these two, we get y square equal to 24. R square is 289 plus 4y square and r square is equal to 169 plus 9y square. So equating these two, we get y square is equal to 24. So the value of y square is 24 units. So we got y square equal to 24. Now this value can be substituted in any of the above equations. We got two equations, r square equal to 289 plus 4y square and r square equal to 169 plus 9y square. In any of the equations, if you put y square equal to 24, you will get the value of radius square. So r square is 289 plus 4 into 24, that is 4y square, or r square equal to 169 plus 9 into 24, that is 9y square, both giving you 385. So we got the radius square equal to 385. Square of the radius 385. So you got y square equal to 24 and r square equal to 385. Now we join the center of the quadrant to the top of this longest line, that x unit line. Join them and we get a right triangle. So x square will be equal to r square minus y square. Again, the rule of Pythagoras, x square will be equal to hypotenuse square minus base square, that is r square minus y square. 385 minus 24, 361. R square minus y square, r square 385, y square 24, so x square is 361. So taking the square root on both sides, x is equal to 19. So the value of x, the length of this line will be 19 units. X is equal to 19 units. That was math challenge. Follow us for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative aptitude and numerical aptitude, and all competitive exam. And remember, all our services are entirely free of charge for students all over the world, so students from anywhere in the globe can contact us with their question and their problem. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and be with us. We will meet again with more useful videos, more interesting questions. Till then, thank you and goodbye.